I cannot believe that I have the nerve to be high maintenance and wear glasses. So I just got my nails done tonight. They're super sharp. I also have lashes on, and I'm gonna pray to God that I don't poke a hole in my contacts because that would not be productive. So hey beauties, it's Ari on the beat, if you still remember me. I know I haven't posted in like 4 or 5 months. I don't know. I think the last time I posted was like October when I updated you guys about my new journey with school. Since then, a lot has happened, a whole lot. So I've been very busy off the internet. It was just a lot. But we got through it. We're in a new year. So since I've been gone, I need to say happy Thanksgiving, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and now happy Valentine's Day. So that is going to be the subject of tonight's video, but it's going to be Valentine's Day with a twist for the girls who either A, don't really wear pink and red or are not girly, or B, you're like me and you're not wearing those colors this weekend. So
when I'm down, be there for me. Hey, playing it cool, it's just not the way. If you want it, then I should see you. Swear to me, check on me.
We're gonna go ahead and get started with some just regular face moisturizer. I like to use CeraVe. That is what I like to start with first and foremost before I put anything else on my face. Is just moisture. And as you guys know, I have very dry skin, so this is a very important component. My brows are microbladed, but I do like to go in and just conceal a little bit. So next, I'm gonna go in with one of my favorite products. You guys should recognize this. I use this all the time in every single video. This is the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer, and it's really good for me because it adds a lot of moisture to my skin. Like I said, I do have some dry skin, so this is perfect for the girls who have dry skin and they need something to moisturize as well as prime their face prior to putting their makeup on. So I'm gonna just apply that all over. Less is more with this primer. You don't need a whole lot because it is super hydrating. And then I'm gonna just go in with my brush and smooth out this concealer that I applied to my brows and the surrounding areas. Okay, so I am gonna go in with a little bit of LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer. This is in the red color, just to color correct some spots that I have on my forehead. I'm gonna go in with Old Faithful Maybelline Fit Me. Being that we're still in COVID, I have not been able to update my foundation routine in over a year. You're still not allowed to try on makeup products in the store due to COVID restrictions. Okay, now that I'm done with my foundation, I'm gonna go in with some Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. Also, I know my foundation may look a little strange on camera. It looks good in person, but on camera it looks a little off. So we will fix that for sure. Just trust the process, please. We'll get there. So I'm gonna start with one of my favorite palettes. We're gonna go in with the Morphe 35G Bronze Goals Artistry palette. This is one of my favorite, I guess you could call it like base palettes, because it has a lot of neutral colors and colors that I find really beneficial for starting your makeup look. So we're gonna start there. So I just went in with this color right here. As you can see, I use it pretty often because it's pretty dented, but I just think, I don't know if that's the word, dented. It has a dent in it, that's what I meant. So, and I just think it is a great starting base. Like, this already is eating the girls up. Like, this is just one color. I haven't blended a thing, I haven't added anything, and I love how this looks already. So next I'm gonna go in with kind of like a transition shade. I'm gonna go in with this lighter brown right here. It's borderline orange. I'm gonna keep packing that on because I want it to be visible. It is a transition shade, but I do want it to be visible as well. So I'm gonna keep packing that on. And I do want this video to be kind of like a cut crease, no cut crease. And what I mean by that is I'm not about to carve my crease out because I just simply don't feel like doing that. But there are ways to get around that, and that's what we're gonna do tonight. I'm gonna stay with this palette and I'm gonna go in with These colors right here, they're kind of orangey, bronze-ish, and they actually match with both of my outfits. Friday night, I will be wearing a yellow outfit, and Saturday night, I will be wearing a green top, but my pants are cream. So this would be perfect for both nights. So I wanted to share something that will be a little bit more universal. So as you can see, we're giving the illusion of a cut crease, but we have not cut a thing. Last thing we're gonna do for this current makeup that we have on is go back into that transition shade that I showed you guys. Brown color right here. And similar to how we do with the cut crease, you wanna take that transition shade and just blend the two shadows together. So obviously we have some darker eye colors going on right here. We have lighter, shimmery, glowy shadow right here. And we want to marry the two. We want to blend. Also wanted to make sure that this beat was not like super difficult. So if you feel like this is giving basic, it is. That was my goal with this video. Because I know that everybody's skill set is different. So I wanted to bring a look to you guys that everybody could participate in. Okay, so I'm back with my second eye completed so you guys can see what that looks like. I'm so sorry if you can't really tell because of the lighting. I'll try to, actually if you go to my Instagram when I post this video, there will be pictures attached. So I think I am gonna go in with some glitter. Y'all know I love glitter. Alexis always talks about me because I always doing glitter and cut creases, but I don't care. I'm gonna do it again because this is my page. We're gonna go in with some NYX glitter primer. You do not have to use this, but it is good for helping your makeup your glitter to stay on longer. Glitter from NYX. I think it is let me say this much. It's the only glitter that I use. I have never wanted to look at anything else because I love the way that this glitter works. And then you're gonna apply that directly to your lower lash line. Okay, beauties, so we are back. I know we, it's just me. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with some concealer just to pick my face up. Okay, so I have my concealer applied. I don't care what the girls on Instagram and TikTok and even some of the YouTubers say. I still like to apply my concealer like this. I know y'all like to be doing them little two tiny spots. I don't like that. So this is just what works for me. That's the rule in life. Do what works for you. Our last step is we're gonna just go in with, this is a beauty store. I think it's a beauty supply store lip liner. It might be an eyebrow pencil, but I use them for both. So either way, you wanna grab you a brown pencil from Walgreens or the hair store or whatever the case may be. I purchased a lip gloss set from ABH and I don't remember the name of this set, but I will try to find that for you. We're gonna go in with a couple different shades. It's gonna give you a nice juicy pink look to your lip. That's how that looks right there. Nice and luscious and juicy. This is the final look. I hope you guys love it. It came out really good. It's giving bronze, it's giving melanin, because it is Black History Month, so let's be clear about that. I hope you guys love this look. Please let me know what you think about it. Leave me some comments below, and thanks for watching.